All right, so we're going to be finding the least common multiple, which is the LCM. I'm going to do an example with 8 and 12. Now the old school way would be writing them down, just the first few. So the first few multiples of 8 would be 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 8 times 3, 24, 8 times 4, 32. I'm going to go ahead and stop there because we could go on forever. And then I'm going to write the ones for 12. First few for 12 would be 12 times 1, 12 times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36. And again, I'm going to go ahead and stop there because I found that the least common multiple, that means the first multiple they have in common, the smallest one, would be 24. Okay? Or you can use a factor tree. Right, and I'm going to do that for 8 and for 12. When you do a factor tree, you're going to go ahead and find the factors. Any factor, it doesn't matter which one you use, but I'm going to do 2 and 4 because obviously that's the only one I could come up with that's not using the number 1. You can't use the number 1 or itself, or else you'll repeat yourself over and over again. So since 2 is a prime number, I'm going to stop there. And then I'm going to continue on with 4, which will be 2 and 2, and they're both prime numbers. So I'm officially done. And that means that the numbers 2 multiplied 3 times together would give me 8. So 2 times 2 times 2 gives me 8, right? And now I'm going to do the factor tree for 12. Again, any factor that you use, as long as it's not 1 or itself, can go ahead and be given. So I'm going to use 3 times 4. Since 3 is a prime number, I'm going to stop there. Continue on with 4, and that gives me 2 and 2. And again, those 2 are prime numbers. So for 12, it would be 2 times 2 times 3. And I want to name them or number them from least to greatest. Right? Now, to get the least common multiple, I'm going to go ahead and look at the numbers that we see. All right? We only see 2s and 3s. Since 8 is the one with the most 2s, I'm going to circle those. And since 12 has the most 3s, I'm going to circle those. And I'm going to add them all over here. So it'd be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay. And then I'm going to multiply them together. And that 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 times 3 is 24. And though it does help to do this one first and faster, since the numbers are 8 and 12, they're smaller, so you can find them faster. But this version helps when the numbers are way greater and we don't really have time to name so many multiples. Hope this helps.